Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we've got the Vessel Famidora 8 it's called. It's a screwdriver set, has one handle, 8 blades. This is going to be the giveaway. This is going to be the first channel giveaway. So what you need to do is like, subscribe, comment, and you'll be entered into the competition. It's free to enter. I just need to be able to contact you, hence why I need you to subscribe, and I will announce the winner in about a week's time on another video. Don't accept any emails from anybody. It won't be me. The only email is actually linked in my description, in my channel information. That's the only email that would contact you if you're going to get contacted. But I won't email the winner. I will let them know on the next video. It'll be clear which video it's going to be. So let's take a look at this anyway. There's a little bit of blurb here on the bottom. Doesn't really mean much. You've got your sizes. They call it cross number 2, cross 1, cross 0, AWL square, which is like a bradawl type thing. Pin puller, so you can use that for pulling nails, probably only small ones, and car body clips maybe, something like that. And then you've got slotted 2.5, 4, and 6. This, you can't really see it on camera, but there's a little bit of writing on here. This top line just says it's basically made from chrome vanadium. It's chrome vanadium steel blade, which fully grips the screw and is heat treated. And then the second line says features a power handle, which is this, with magnetic blades. So all these blades are actually magnetic as well. And you can see that they're color coded. Slotted are blue. The clip one is green, yellow for the bradawl, and then red for the posies or Phillips, whatever they are. There's not a lot of information on the back of this. It's just, I've had to peel this sticker back, so whoever gets this, I'll flatten it back, but just to let you know it has been opened, obviously, for this review. It's just got the name again, model number TD800. You can go and look that up on Amazon Japan if you want to, and just the cautions. So it's a nice little set. I probably wouldn't bother with this. I'd leave it if it's on my counter. It's better if it's just left like that. So let's have a look. Quite a lightweight handle. It feels nice. It's got plenty of places for your fingers to grip. It's really light, actually. It's very light. Be nice if it was a little bit heavier. And it's all plastic. There's nothing down there you can see. And you choose whichever blade you want. And again, these have like a solid plastic cover. I'm assuming the blade goes to the end, but it's hard to say. It's nice and tight. It's very strong, so I assume it does. Let's just see whether. Yep, they are magnetic. It'll almost pick up. And it has a little catch there, which looks like it. Yep, it just clips onto there, and that's it. That's your screwdriver. I think they're quite good. It's a nicer weight now it's got the blade on it. It's a nice looking screwdriver. Don't know how long this plastic hand will last, but Vessel stuff generally is good quality. And to pop it out, I think that's what these are for. These are so you can get a decent grip on it, and you just pull it like that. So let's have a look at this one. I don't think it matters which way. No, it doesn't matter which way you put it in. It looks like this clip here just clips onto this edge. Sorry about that, blocked it. This edge here. So it doesn't really matter which one you put it on, as long as is it square in there? Yeah, it is square in there. So as long as it lines up like that, it'll go on. So that's just one of those little slightly bent clips for getting out screws, or not screws, pins, nails, small nails I would say. I wouldn't want to use it to lever too much with it being plastic handle. I'm not sure how far does that go in. So it goes into about there. Let's see what's down there. Yeah, it goes down quite, can't actually see into the bottom of that, but right, so that goes down all the way by the looks of it. This goes down to about there, so there is some space in the back. I don't know why they didn't make it solid. It would have been a bit better if it's solid, but it might be a cost thing. I mean, it is only £4.69. I mean, what do you want for £4.69? But yeah, that's nice. This is, yeah, all magnetic. What's next? You got this one. It's like a bradawl or something to make a hole, to like a punch sort of thing, to make a hole before you drill, something like that, or just to pick something like an ordinary pick. There's only one of those. And then, yeah, they're all magnetic, definitely. And then you've got the, what did they call this one? Cross number 1. Does it have? No, it doesn't have those little teeth that they sometimes have on the end of. No, it doesn't have a little teeth. But I just think it's a really nice set. It'd actually be a nice set if you had them, you know, if you had 8 of them like this, all with handles, and just make that a bit more solid inside. I think it's really handy to have. Doesn't take up much space. I would probably leave that on the desk like that, so it's easy to pick up which one you want. But yeah, let me know what you think. Like I said, if you like the video, comment and subscribe. You will be entered into the competition to win this little thing. So, thanks a lot for watching. I will see you on the next one.